All right, so the new ATV just showed up. It's a 125. I'll show the link down below. This is the best price that I found on these. Shipped ended up being about $1,050 or so. Really absolutely the best price I could find. Definitely beats Amazon by a few $100s. And they just basically drop it off at your house. Obviously I'm at a residential area, so they just basically put it on the driveway for me. Super easy. Everything looks pretty good with the box. We'll go ahead and get it opened up and see what it looks like on the inside and start getting it together. All right, so we got that plastic off the outside. I'm really happy with that. That definitely is protective for any moisture or anything. Shows what model we got there. Box looks all intact. We've got some more straps. So we'll go ahead and open this thing up. A little bit of damage right there, but I think that should be fine. So we'll see what it looks like when we get the box off. All right, so once you get all the cardboard off, then you've got all the steel. Basically holds it all together. There's a bunch of bolts in it. I already took a lot of the bolts out. And so with that, some of the pieces are welded, some of the pieces are not welded. So you kind of got to figure out which ones will actually come off. All right, first impressions of this thing. Really actually pretty impressed for a cheap Chinese four-wheeler. So like I said, this is about $1,000. Looking at some of these welds, you know, I'm not thrilled with the gusseting that they've done there. This looks like it could be beefed up a little bit, but you know, that's nitpicking. If you want something that's, you know, fully gusseted and everything by a Japanese quad, this is more for the backyard and everything. But really, everything looks real nice. What I was also surprised about is that these look like they're 4x100, which if they are golf cart tires, which make it real easy to find different wheels and everything for this thing. Also really excited about the fact that this is all metal. So 125cc, foot brake, it's got reverse, got indicator lights up here and everything. Really happy with how, you know, all of this is looking. Like I said, especially for the price, I don't think you could beat this, you know, for a kid. So everything's put together, runs fantastic. We've got a few hours on it now, really trying it out. I replaced the front shocks. But basically we ordered it through powersportsmax.com. I'd never really ordered from that site before, so I was a little bit wary at first. You know, it's kind of an older looking site, but honestly, the absolute best prices on these things, as well as other bikes and everything. Shipping was great to a residential address. It was $200 something, which, you know, beats the $400 something they charge you on Amazon. So absolutely the best price you're able to get it for. Came within a week and couldn't be happier with it. This thing's been performing fantastic for them. And perfect little quad.